In this training video, we will be going over project types settings. So as you can see, we've got different services here, cleaning, construction, and so forth. And let's say you wanted to add another one. You go to the plus, and let's say we would do electrical. And you would click OK, and it just added in alphabetical order electrical. If you wanted to set it inactive, you could do that as well. And what's going to happen is all these that you set are going to go into the drop down for project types. So, cleaning, construction, fire, mitigation, and so forth. And that's where the settings are for, is on your call report right there. So that's what's nice to have. To your success, and thank you for watching.